Little India come around here. Very big. Little India very big. This one touch with Ferrer Park. So this one Tikka backside bus stand. Now I will show you. Here have so much gold shops. This one Tikka backside. This one bus stand. So here have big mall. Here have phone shop. Here mostly have phone shops or gold shops. So many shops have. So these shops start from here. This one very big. This side I also see. Little India very beautiful. So clean. So this backside also have one mall. So here have fruit shops. So much tourism here come for visiting because Singapore is so beautiful and number one safest country in the world. Dubai also nothing in front of Singapore. So here also have ladies suit shops, cloth. Here also same. This one Indian culture mostly have. So this one also gold shop but now closed. Here also have gold shop. This one also closed. This one also closed. So this one open. They all have gold shop but mostly close after 9 o'clock. Some shops are open but mostly close 8:30, 9 o'clock. So this one also have gold now so much high, very expensive. This one also gold shop. So this one very famous restaurant, Komal Vilas vegetarian restaurant. This one very famous. A lot of people here standing for eating here. So going to next. This one so big. Mostly all have phone, gold shops like that. So this side shops are open. I will show you what things have. So here also have gold shop. See, this one open. So here also have open. So now I going to this side. I will show you. So there mostly shops have. Sorry. Toys have for kids. Their toy shop have, gift shop have. So Sunday here so much people crowdly. You cannot walking like that. So today have Thursday, so that's why very easy can go and come. But Sunday here so much car, so much people cannot. So see one more jewelry shop. So here all mostly a gold shop have this side. Right side have other shops like toys, cloth, shoes, goggles, plus gold, restaurants like that. But when we enter this side, so left side all have jewelry shop, but right side other shops also are available. So TV shop, coffee shop, mobile shop. So this one also mobile shop again coming. So this all mark mostly gold jewelry shop, phone shops, toy shops like that. So here I have one. So here have one Hindu temple. This is very famous. Mostly tourism and Hindu people coming for here. So one more shop. So much tourism also coming now. So one more shop, jewelry one. This is Singapore bus. Where chocolates are also available, earrings, ladies things also have. See again the phone shop, cloth shop also have, jeans, t-shirts, pants. Again toys and chocolates. So this temple is very famous in Little India. I respect all the religions. So, but this is a Hindu temple. So mostly most tourism here coming. Who come here and go inside. So now I think close. How much I can see, I will show you. So like that, have inside. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Again, this side also all same. So if you like my video, please like. Thank you.